How to cancel Contabo subscription. Open the Contabo website and sign into your account using your registered email and password. Wait for the customer control panel to load completely after logging in. Go to the dashboard and look at the menu where your services are listed. Open the section that shows all your active servers and subscriptions. Find the specific service or server that you want to cancel. Click on the service name to open the management page for that product. Scroll down through the service details to locate the cancellation option. Click the option that allows you to cancel or terminate the service. Read the information provided about the cancellation terms and service end date. Select a reason for canceling the subscription if the system asks you to provide one. Continue to the next page to review the cancellation details. Confirm that you want to proceed with canceling the service. Submit the cancellation request from the confirmation page. Wait for the final message confirming that your Contabo subscription has been successfully canceled. Thank you for watching.